Alright, so I'm not using the all black Air Forces because these are the only ones I could find in my house that were black. But you get the idea. Black Air Forces, black rope. Alright, so first off, you're going to need a drill linked in the description below. You're going to need this thing here as well called a step drill. The numbers go up, and as you go down, the hole gets bigger basically. So yeah, pretty straightforward. You're just going to need to drill the holes with this. The hole size we need is actually a 10mm. Sometimes I'll drill it to 11 just so the rope fits through smoothly. So of course you're going to have a lot of mess inside the shoe, so to get it out you kind of just want to tap the shoe until it all comes out / wipe out the inside. Cool, next you're going to need the rope. So linked in the description below as well. Everything I've used here is linked. You only need to put that through the hole. To make it easier, you can twist it like I'm doing here. Just makes it easier to get through the hole if it's a bit difficult. And if it's still not going in, you can always drill again and then put the rope through. So I'm also taping the ends again here just to make it tighter, that it just goes through a lot smoother. This leather seemed to be like a lot tougher than the standard Air Forces, I think because of the style that it was. So yeah, I'm just gonna skip the other one and then cut to how it looks with them both done.
You know that I'm real, why lie?
And there you have it, how to put black rope in black Air Forces. Yo, another one, you know what I mean? We're coming with heat, nothing but heat. So yeah man, if you like the video, I'm not even gonna say it man, you know what to do, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.
C'est jamais pour rien qu'il te dépanne. Mes anges et mes démons me bénavent. Son rire c'est le bruit des motards, nos bécanes. Vroom, vroom, hey, we just step in the room. Wanna be starting something, gone and gone and. Mais le son go boom, boom. Paris, Londres, provoque le tonnerre, ça gronde. Je demande à Dieu les blessings, ça tombe. On va tous se les monter en l'air.
Dans les lights, tu verras dans ce qui passe.